Here's some Dungeons and Dragons trivia. Subscribe. What are the primary dice used in the game? Is it A, dominoes, B, card decks, C, polyhedral dice, or D, standard six-sided dice? The correct answer is C, polyhedral dice. Who created Dungeons and Dragons? Is it A, David Arneson, B, 1985, C, Margaret Weiss, or D, Gary Gygax? The correct answer is D, Gary Gygax. What is the term for a player character's background? Is it A, character arc, B, lore explanation, C, origin story, or D, backstory? The correct answer is D, backstory. What color typically represents lawful good? Is it A, red, B, green, C, white, or D, black? The correct answer is C, white. Which plane is often associated with evil? Is it A, Cloud Kingdom, B, Dream Realm, C, Celestial Plane, or D, Nine Hells? The correct answer is D, Nine Hells. What does hit points refer to? Is it A, health, B, damage dealt, C, number of enemies, or D, magic power? The correct answer is A, health. What is the primary currency used in the game? Is it A, gold pieces, B, emerald gems, C, silver coins, or D, copper tokens? The correct answer is A, gold pieces. What type of magic do druids use? Is it A, nature magic, B, fire magic, C, dark magic, or D, illusion magic? The correct answer is A, nature magic. What do adventurers usually seek in dungeons? Is it A, treasure, B, magic spells, C, food supplies, or D, monsters? The correct answer is A, treasure. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.